In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import contacts into Flodesk. Whether you're setting up your email marketing for the first time or simply need to update your contact list, importing contacts efficiently is crucial. So let's walk through this process step by step. First, go ahead and log into your Flodesk account. If you haven't created an account yet, make sure to do so and familiarize yourself with the platform's interface. Once you're logged in, you'll notice several options at the top of the page. What you want to do is click on the Audience tab. This is your gateway to managing your subscribers and contacts. The Audience section is where all your subscriber data lives, so it's essential to know your way around here. Now that you're in the Audience section, look for the Add Subscriber button. This is typically located in a prominent spot on the page, making it easy to find. Clicking this button opens up a few options for adding new contacts. For our purposes, we are going to focus on manually adding an individual subscriber, which is perfect if you have a small number of contacts to import or specific data to input. After clicking Add Subscriber, select Add an Individual. This is where you'll input the personal details of the contact you'd like to add. You will see fields for entering information such as the subscriber's name, email, and any other relevant details you wish to include. It's important to ensure that the information you enter is accurate, as this will directly affect your communications with your subscribers. Fill out these fields carefully. Check for any spelling errors or typos, especially in the email address, as incorrect information can lead to communication issues or even lost contacts. Once you've double-checked everything and are satisfied that all the details are correct, it's time to save your work. To do this, simply click on the Save button. This will add the contact to your subscriber list in Flodesk. It's a straightforward process, but taking care to input and save the information correctly ensures that your contacts are ready to receive your communications without any hiccups. And that's it! You've successfully imported a contact into Flodesk. Repeat these steps for each contact you wish to add. Remember, keeping your audience list updated is key to maintaining effective communication with your subscribers. By following these simple steps, you can effortlessly grow and manage your audience within Flodesk. Happy emailing!